I converted $100 into $2,350 with this simple trading strategy. I will show you step by step exactly how you can do exactly the same, and I give you access to a welcome bonus that can be up to $30,500. So stay tuned. My name is Ronnie. I'm creating crypto content for the last 6 years. I'm in the crypto market for almost 10 years, and my goal here in the channel is to make you earn as much money as possible, understanding crypto, understanding trading, the psychology behind it. But now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the content. I can show you here the strategy that I have used to make thousands of dollars, and it's very, very simple. It's not like most people think, oh, if you want to make a lot of money, it have to be something very, very difficult, something very, yeah, something very spectacular. No, it's not like this. As more simple it is, as more effective it is. So now you see here, I have added in my Bybit account. By the way, if you don't have Bybit, Bybit gives you up to $30,050 bonus deposit sign up bonus. Okay, then here just go to my channel and oh, can you see it? No, you cannot see it. Yeah, I will show it to you later, and then you can register the account and you can get the bonus. So now, what's the trading strategy? First, you have to Bybit account that takes 3 minutes, and then you go here to indicators and you add the SMA. Okay, smoothed moving average. Okay, the 9 smoothed moving average. And then you will add the RSI, relative strength index, RSI. Okay, relative strength index. You can do some modifications. It looks a little different. It's like purple, and you have a background, so you can figure this out however you like it. But basically, the strategy is very, very simple. I have here Trump token, and whenever you see that the RSI is below the 30 line, we have two lines, 30 line and 70 line. Okay, so I show this a little bit. Then it's a good time to open a long trade. If you see also a crossover from the 9 SMA. So that's basically the strategy, and also the way around. If you see a crossover from the upside to the downside and you see the RSI above 70, this is also a sign for entering into a trade. So basically, let's take this advantage here. So you see here, for example, the RSI is way above the 70, but there is no cross. You're still here. If you see this here and you say, oh yeah, it goes here and then I cannot move anymore into the trade, don't chase the trade. Never chase the trade. That's something you have to learn. You just do it like this. You take here this short position. Okay, you put it like this. Okay, and you leave the trade exactly on the number, or maybe a little bit below the SMA, the 9 SMA. By the way, this works in all time frames. I use the 30 minutes time frame for it, So, okay. So now what would you mark? You will mark out the last high that you can identify. If there is a very, very strong candle leading into it, then you should use this candle, okay? So now, and normally I take a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, okay? So 2-to-1, you can see here this trade, okay, would be a stop loss, but very, very important. Whenever you see a trade going into massive profits, this was already with how much in profits? From here you entered, you came to here, it was like 5% in profit. I use a 10x leverage, so it's a 50% already your money. Let's say you open a position with $1,000, that would be $500. Obviously, you take profits and you put your stop loss into profits. So even if the stop loss would hit here, I would really make money with the trade. Why? Because I would take some profits here, and I would take my stop loss into the winning zone. But here you see something interesting. If you see this here and you see, oh, I'm on a long trade, but the RSI is touching the this is the upper and this is the lower trend line, then obviously your bias must change. You will now open a long position. With time, you will understand this. Okay, so you wait here for the break. Oh, what's this? You wait for the break. Then you mark out the last low. Okay, you just mark out the last low. The last low was like here, and then you will just mark out, oh, what's this? A 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, very easy, very simple. That's why I'm told you it's a simple trading strategy that everybody, yeah, imagine only like here you have made already 2.5. But I tell you something, it's better to take a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Why? I will tell you. Didn't you have the point, the moment, and put me a comment here and tell me, yeah, Ronnie, you're right, or tell me, oh no, I have never experienced this, that you open trades and you think, oh, I can make more money, I can make more money, I can make more money, and you're waiting, and you don't know where to close the trade, and finally you lose money. You lose the money that you already made, like a profit paper gains, and you lose even the money from your trade because you had no stop loss or whatever. Did this happen to you? Okay, put me a comment. So it's better to get always a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Why? Imagine you just saw the example that I chosen, even if it was not a losing trade, but let's assume it's a losing trade. Let's say you win 50% of the trades and 50% you lose. You might say, oh, then you're not a good trader. How can you make money with this? But if you make it 2-to-1 all the time, let's say I make in every trade $1,000 and I lose, if I lose $500, so it's a 2-to-1. So now, if I win 5 trades out of 10 and I lose 10 out of 5 trades out of 10, so then I made money 5,000 and I lost how much? 2,500. So I made 10 trades. I'm a horrible trader, maybe. I lost the half of the trades, but I still managed to make $2,500. So now let's assume I'm even worse trader and I lose 6 trades, and I only win 4. People would say, oh, stop doing this. Stick to whatever you did before, but stop trading. You're losing 6 trades out of 10. You win only 4. Yeah, but guess what? I make $4,000 with the winning trades because I make $1,000, and with the losing trades I make 6 times $500 loss. It's 3,000. So I'm a horrible trader. I lose 6 out of 10 trades. I only win 4, but I still managed to make $1,000 because I made 4,000 and I lost only 3,000. So this is what most people don't understand. You cannot be always right as a trader, but the risk reward, your risk management, this is decisive. If you keep making money or if you just lose all your money. Okay, but without any further ado, let me show you the examples for our trades. Okay. Now here, obviously, you see if there is a crazy pump like this, you should not try to do something like this. Okay, you should not try to short. See, this was the announcement when Trump announced that he will host a dinner, but here you see, okay, we have sideways action. here you might be, maybe here also, you would maybe already try to short, but it would be obviously a loser. But here you could say, okay, yeah, let's try it. Okay, you will come here, then you put your stop loss here, and you put 2 to 1. We said, okay, it's perfect. So now nothing happened for a long time. Okay, nothing happened. Obviously, we have already our stop loss and profit, but you see here that you still managed to win the trade. Even maybe you got stopped out here because you had your stop loss already in profit, but you entered again. Why? Because here you can see that we are again on the RSI upper band. And yeah, even if you would enter here and your stop loss would be more tight. Why? Because there is no, let's say you re-entered here because here you had left in the with a small profit, stop profit, call this. So now you would have here your stop loss. Okay, you would have here your stop loss because it's very tight. So but imagine that you could make here. Later I would show you, look, this was a 1 to 13 trade. Imagine if you risk $1,000, you could make $13,000 with one single trade. Hey, Ronnie, but you said we just do a 2 to 1. Yes. Later on, I will show you in next videos. By the way, if you're not registered, subscribe to my channel, subscribe, because I will show you how you do this. You scale basically your position. You scale your position up. If you have a winning trade, you can add to your winning trade. You can take profits along the way. And yeah, you can later make this crazy gains, you know. So now here, you see RSI here. Maybe you see the RSI here also. Look, you should also look about the curve of the EMA. Okay, if the curve of the EMA is going up, if it's going down, yeah, with time, you will see. Okay, do I enter to the trade? Do I not enter to the trade? I would have entered here into this trade, and then long position, obviously. Okay, and marked out the levels. Let me see. Oh no, that's here. Yeah, it's very long, so you should just go below here. You could even make a 1 to 8. Okay, so yeah, I think now you understood what I want to talk about, what I'm talking about. And yeah, if you are not registered to Bybit, let me show you how you can do this. I will here show you quickly where you can find the link. This is my video. But by the way, this is a video how you can get an airdrop, a $500 airdrop position. So you go to this video, or you go below this video, you have the link here, you just click on it, and you can get access to my Signal group. It's a paid Signal group, but you can have access for a short time. Or here, you can get the bonus from Bybit. I hope you like this video. If it's like this, give me a thumbs up. I will share many trading strategies here. If you like this trading strategy, give me thumbs up. Tell me, hey, Ronnie, it's nice, or no, Ronnie, it's not so good. I would like to learn something else. By the way, I have written a book, the 5 easiest trading strategies for beginners without or with zero experience. If you want it, leave me a comment here or send me a message. You can find it also, the link in Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. And in the next days, I will share with you other trading setups, other strategies that you can use to make constantly money. And in the end of the day, let's be honest, if you can do like intraday swings, scalps, maybe with this strategy. By the way, this strategy works also in a 1 hour time frame. in the 4-hour time frame, in the daily time frame. You can use it in any time frame. I like the 30-minute time frame. But let's be honest, if you make $200, $300 a day, if you make $300 a day, then you make $9,000 a month. Crypto's 24/7. $9,000 a month, I think then you will be part of the, I don't know, 5% of the world, maybe even less than 5% of the world, because there are not many people that make $9,000 a month. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, put me a comment, share this video in social media with friends that want to learn how to trade and take advantage of the $30,500 bonus from Bybit. I leave you the link here. And also in the recommended video, you can see how to take your $500 airdrop position from Bybit. Take care. Take very much care of your crypto, beware of hacks, and see you in the next video. Bye.